Can we file a test childbirth lawsuit on our own? One question that many parents have when they are thinking about filing a childbirth injury case in Maryland is whether they can get a test case. The purpose of this test case, as it was explained to us, is to see how the case might play out in a test court filing. The short answer is no. You will not get an opportunity to file a test case here in Maryland. What this means is that when you file your case, you must be ready to put your best foot forward. Maryland law does not give you two bites at the apple, so to speak. Because you only get one shot to file your case, your attorney will have to do a thorough investigation initially to determine the viability of the claim. For example, medical experts will review the case to see whether your child's doctors, or hospital for that matter, fell below the standard of care causing the injury. Once this is done, things like a life care plan and other important actions will take place to push your child's case down the tracks. In cases where the attorney's investigation reveals that he or she may not be able to win your case, the attorney should inform you of this crucial information. For example, if the medical records and facts reveal that your child's birth injury was not the fault of the doctors or the nurses or the hospital, then the attorney should not pursue the case, because by doing so, your child may be set up for a loss at trial and other possible issues such as costs. Although some parents may not like to hear this, it is still important that an attorney explains this to their clients. At the end of the day, the family is still free to get a second opinion as to the first attorney or law firm's position on the case. Hopefully now that you will understand that in Maryland you will not be able to file a test childbirth lawsuit on your own to get a feel for what a real case would look like. If you have more questions and you would like to speak with me further about what's going on with your child's case, maybe you're here today because your child has suffered an injury at birth, maybe a brain injury, or has an HIE diagnosis or a subsequent CP diagnosis, what I invite you to do is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. My telephone number and information is down below, so go ahead and pick up the phone and talk with me. One more thing before I go. As I stated in this discussion, I practice law here in the state of Maryland. And if you have questions and you're not in Maryland for your child's birth injury case and you contact us, just understand that if this is something that we think we can assist you with, we will have to use co-counsel or local counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state, which is something that we will help you with, to be able to move forward with things. So I just want to make sure that you understand that local counsel aspect of things. I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group LLC. And I'll talk with you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.